These 7 amazing seeds can actually boost your body's own natural collagen production, keep your skin hydrated and elastic, and even protect your existing collagen from breaking down. Seed number 6 will shock you. It's one of the most powerful collagen-boosting seeds out there. Yet, most of us toss it straight into the trash without a second thought. Once you find out what these little seeds can do for your skin, you'll never want to waste them again. So, grab a cup of tea, get cozy, and let's dive in. Why seeds are essential for collagen. Seeds are tiny, but they're absolutely packed with nutrition filled with amino acids, essential fatty acids, minerals, and antioxidants. Everything inside a seed is designed to grow into a strong plant, which means when you eat them, you're feeding your body the same building blocks of life. And here's the best part. Several seeds are especially powerful for skin health and collagen synthesis. They contain the exact nutrients your body needs to build collagen and elastin. Those 2 proteins that keep your skin plump, smooth, and youthful. If you want to learn more about collagen and how to smooth wrinkles naturally, join our Collagen Blueprint free community today. So, let's go one by one through the 7 seeds I recommend you add to your diet if you want to fight wrinkles, slow down aging, and glow naturally. Number 1, pumpkin seeds. If I had to choose one seed that deserves the title collagen champion, it would be pumpkin seeds. Why? Because they are one of the richest plant-based sources of zinc. And zinc is absolutely essential for collagen production. Without enough zinc, your body simply can't assemble new collagen fibers. It's like trying to build a house without nails. It just won't hold together. But pumpkin seeds don't stop there. They're also rich in vitamin E, a strong antioxidant that protects existing collagen, magnesium, which keeps your skin calm and reduces stress-related inflammation. Protect your skin barrier, and help collagen stay strong. They also contain protein and zinc, a double win for collagen synthesis. Plus, when chia seeds absorb water, they form a gel-like coating that helps with hydration, not just in your body, but in your skin as well. So, how to eat them? The best way is to soak them. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to a glass of water and leave overnight. Drink it in the morning with a squeeze of lemon for an extra boost of vitamin C, which further supports collagen. You can also toss them into smoothies, yogurt bowls, or even homemade energy bars. I actually love chia pudding. Comment chia pudding for my recipe. Number 3, flax seeds. Nature's Botox seeds. Flax seeds are one of my personal favorites. I like to call them Botox seeds because of how powerfully they support skin elasticity. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids that calm inflammation, plus lignans, a unique type of antioxidant that protects your collagen from being broken down by free radicals. Together, these compounds help keep your skin firm and smooth. So, how to eat them? Always grind flax seeds before eating because whole seeds may pass through undigested. Add ground flax to oatmeal. Sprinkle it over salads, mix it into smoothies, or stir it into yogurt. Just don't heat them too much as this can destroy their delicate omega-3 fats. Number 4, sesame seeds. Ancient beauty secret. Sesame seeds have been used for beauty and vitality for thousands of years in Asian and Middle Eastern traditions. They're loaded with zinc, copper, and selenium, 3 nutrients critical for healthy skin. In collagen production, zinc helps your body create new collagen. Copper supports elastin, which gives your skin that youthful bounce. Selenium acts as an antioxidant, protecting skin from damage. So, how to eat them? Sesame seeds are incredibly versatile. Toast them lightly and sprinkle over stir-fries, roasted veggies, or rice dishes, or enjoy them as tahini, sesame seed paste, drizzled over salads, or blended into dressings. Number 5, sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are one of the best natural sources of vitamin E, a nutrient that works hand-in-hand with collagen. Vitamin E helps prevent collagen breakdown by protecting your skin from oxidative stress caused by pollution, sun exposure, and daily stress. They're also high in selenium and zinc, giving them a triple anti-aging punch. So, how to eat them? Snack on a handful of raw sunflower seeds or sprinkle them on your oatmeal or smoothie bowls. Just like with pumpkin seeds, avoid the heavily salted or flavored versions. If you want faster results, join our Collagen Blueprint community where you'll get routines, recipes, and courses to firm your skin naturally. Number 6. Watermelon seeds. Now, this one is going to surprise you. Most people throw away watermelon seeds without realizing they are one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat for collagen health. Yes, those little black seeds you've been spitting out since childhood are actually a collagen-boosting powerhouse. These tiny seeds are loaded with magnesium, zinc, protein, and iron. All of which play key roles in keeping your skin firm, hydrated, and youthful. Magnesium. Research published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology shows that magnesium supports proper hydration and helps improve the skin barrier function. When your skin barrier is strong, you hold on to moisture better, which means fewer fine lines and that plump elastic look we all want. Zinc. According to a review in the Journal of Drugs and Dermatology, zinc is absolutely essential for collagen synthesis and wound healing. It's also known to regulate oil production and calm inflammation, which is why zinc helps reduce acne breakouts. Without enough zinc, collagen formation slows down and your skin loses firmness. Protein, especially amino acids. Watermelon seeds are surprisingly rich in plant-based protein. They contain amino acids like arginine, which studies suggest can help stimulate collagen production and improve circulation. Collagen itself is made up of amino acids. So, eating seeds like these provides your body with the raw materials to build more iron. Iron improves blood flow and oxygen delivery to tissues. When your circulation is strong, your skin naturally looks brighter, healthier, and more youthful. It's literally that glow from within effect. So instead of throwing these away, think of them as little anti-aging treasures. So how to eat them? The best way is to roast them lightly at home. Just a few minutes in a dry pan until they're crunchy. You can snack on them plain, sprinkle them on smoothie bowls, toss them into salads, or even mix them into homemade granola. And if you love trail mix, add watermelon seeds to the mix for an extra boost of beauty nutrition. Number 7. Hemp seeds. Last, but definitely not least, these are one of the best plant-based sources of complete protein, meaning they contain all the essential amino acids your body needs, including glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, which are the exact amino acids used to build collagen. They're also rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and support a healthy skin barrier. So, how to eat them? Add a spoonful of hemp seeds to your smoothie. Sprinkle over avocado toast or stir them into salads. They have a delicious nutty flavor that works with just about everything. How to combine them for maximum collagen? Now, you might be wondering, should you eat these seeds separately or can you combine them? The answer is you can do both. Here's a simple way to make your own collagen seed mix at home. Take equal parts of pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and sesame seeds. Add ground flax seeds and hemp seeds. Store in an airtight jar for up to 2 weeks. Sprinkle 1 to 2 tablespoons daily over your food. Keep chia seeds separate and soak them overnight for hydration. And for watermelon seeds, enjoy them roasted as a crunchy snack on the side. That way, you're getting a wide variety of nutrients daily. All working together to boost your collagen naturally. If you want to take your skin care to the next level and see smoother, firmer skin in just 90 days or less, join our Collagen Blueprint community today. You'll get routines, recipes, courses, and a supportive group. All for free as a founding member. Click the link in the description to get started now. And remember, simple natural things work the best. God gave us all the remedies we need right here on earth. I pray that He blesses you, strengthens your body, and heals you from the inside out. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. I'll see you in the next video.